Hello, Bulldogs, and greetings from about 20 minutes south of 241 Seaview Avenue. It's Friday, and you know what that means, dress uniform. This is about as close as I could get to a dress uniform. As for the hat, that's just a little PBDA spirit to add to the ensemble. I miss you guys terribly, and while I miss all of you, what I miss even more is BTV. I miss when we sit inside the theater, we laugh together, and just come together as a community. What I probably miss the most about BTV, though, is in those opening credits, seeing Wesley lift up his head, turn, and smile. Gets me every time. So here we go. It's Friday Assembly, and we're going with BTV, just online. This week, you're going to hear segments from our teachers, but after that, you're on. And one last thing I wanted to share we're going to do in order to keep this community together, as always. We're going to start with something called Bulldog Barks. Really, they're just like shout outs. What better time when we're going through all of this stress and feeling all of this anxiety than to share with each other how much we appreciate each other, how much we miss each other. So I'm going to kick off the first set of Bulldog Barks, and after that, we're going to go with you. Mr. Payne will share more about how you can get involved in BTV and how you can get your Bulldog Barks online. So for me, what I'm going to do is just share out. First and foremost, I want to thank the faculty who have done an incredible job getting you all ready for this unbelievable experience of online learning. Second, I want to thank all of the students for jumping in head first. And you did it, and you did it well. I also want to thank our maintenance staff. So I'm sending Bulldog Barks to Scott and Maria for making sure our building stays clean. We really appreciate it, and we miss you. Finally, I want to thank those Upper Campus students who have allowed me to interrupt their lives through Zoom. Haley, Ella, Bodan, Bettina, Ryan, the 9th grade, Eloise and Thomas, thank you so much for the feedback, and I can't wait to hear and see the entire Upper Campus in the coming weeks. Have a great day, Bulldogs.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Lotfi, your student government president, and unfortunately, as we cannot meet as a school, we will be doing our Friday assemblies virtually. We're still trying to keep everything as normal and as school-like as possible. So I hope everyone's staying safe and keeping healthy during times like these. I miss you, and I know the whole school misses you. So yeah, please place your right hand over your heart as we say the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I hope everyone has a great weekend, and yeah.
Good morning, Bulldogs, and welcome back. There's been a lot of March Madness this month, just no NCAA basketball. We unfortunately have no PBDA sports news to report at this time. However, a look back in time on this date in history. In 1975, the UCLA men's basketball team beat Kentucky as legendary coach John Wooden won his record 10th NCAA title. Also, in 1994, the Chicago White Sox assigned former NBA superstar Michael Jordan to the Birmingham Barons of the AA minor leagues. However, a year later, he returned to the NBA. Stay safe and active, Bulldogs. We miss you all. That's it for now. See you next time.
Hey, all you Bullpups and Bulldoggies out there. Miss Pateman here. Just wanting to remind you that self-care is super important during this extended time at home. In order to best take care of yourselves, make sure you're getting plenty of rest, eating nutritiously, getting outside for exercise as much as you can, and of course, drinking lots of water. Number one though, we all know washing our hands. Let's make sure you're washing on both sides of your hands and inside between your fingers for at least 20 seconds frequently with warm water and soap every day. Until next time, I hope you all can take care of yourselves and each other.
right, Bulldogs, welcome back. I hope this finds you staying active and keeping healthy. Mrs. Close and I just wanted to say welcome from our National Junior Honor Society. If you find yourself struggling with any of your classes, please know that we have NJHS peer tutors ready to help you via Zoom. If you're interested in signing up for some peer tutoring, please let your advisor or homeroom teacher know, or reach out to either Mrs. Close or me directly by email. We've got this Palm Beach Day. Let's continue to work hard and be kind.
Hey Bulldogs! As you just saw, VBTV will now have a new look for the next couple of months. The new format will include everyone from 4th to 9th grade, so be ready to put your own unique twist on it when you're called upon. I look forward to hearing and seeing some of your own very special talents. It'll be kind of like having different guest hosts every week. Within the next week or so, we'll be rolling out more details about what this will actually look like, so stay tuned. In the meantime, 6th grade, you're on deck, and our BTV team will be reaching out to you to tell you exactly what we need for the episode. VBTV is a fun way to keep us connected during these challenging times and have a good hearty laugh or two, so we're really happy to keep these VBTV episodes coming to you. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in to the first episode of VBTV. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Really looking forward to seeing everybody, at least virtually online. Appreciate everyone's hard work. Go Bulldogs, work hard, be kind online.